Aveda formulation, it's a challenge because it's different from any other formulation I've done in my career.
They have to formulate within the criteria that are divided in 10 different buckets.
We start with percent naturally derived.
Of course, more than 90% naturally derived.
It's at the cornerstone of how we make Aveda products. We always want to have the highest percent naturally derived possible. So that means looking for organic oils, sacha inchi, green tea, avocado oil. All of them are certified organic. Additionally, it means looking for supplier partners who do green chemistry.
100% cruelty-free, highest performance, ingredients that are sustainably sourced.
We are constantly looking at all of our raw materials for what is the best way to put products together for the environment.
And a whole list of ingredients that we do not use, such as parabens,
formaldehyde donors.
There's like a whole encyclopedia of ingredients that we are not formulating with.
Finally, I would say that we've added vegan on top, right, which adds another level of complexity. And that's not typical for the industry. It is a very unique approach that we take.
They're true, I have to say, true wizards, and with a lot of dignity and a lot of sensibility towards this no compromise that we're offering.